Okay, this is the pack right here. She is called Curly Q 20-inch. It's by Superline Collection. She is in a color T1B 27, and it is pre-looped hair for the most part. You have 20 strands in each pack, but I'm gonna be, like I said, making a wig out of this hair here. You also have other Curly Q styles on the back here, other different patterns of Curly Q hair. You have the Curly Q 10-inch, which is this hair, except it's 10 inches. This is 20 inches. You have the Curly Q 20-inch, which is this right here. And you also have the Curly Q Nubian, which is like a different texture, different spiral of a curl here. This is the hair here, as you can see. It's a color 27 on the ends. I kind of wanted a lighter color, but I don't know. I went with the 1B27. And that's the loop they are talking about right there. So this does stretch out a good amount. But yeah, I am about to get started on my wig now. Let's see. I've got one pack here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 packs of these Curly Qs. So yeah, let's get started on this wig, shall we? So I am done with the wig. I just now have to style it. So now I've got the center of my wig tied up, and as you can see, I just started cutting. I'm going for a tapered look, so I gotta get the sides and the back as short as possible. I'm gonna start over here on this side. Now I'm towards the middle. The middle is pretty big, so I'm gonna go in and trim some of this as well. I put a scarf on this section of my hair to kind of flatten it out, and I could not keep the color because the hair was too tall. I would advise the 10-inch hair so you won't have to cut anything in the middle.